Hello guys, so welcome to 188 GCTV again. We will be unboxing a demolition hammer. This is a CZBCCN professional demolition hammer. It's a 65A demolition hammer, and this came from China. I think this is China because there is Chinese word here. Anyways, we're gonna try this and we're gonna open this. Let's see what's inside and how it's built. This is very heavy, around 15 to 20 kilos guys, around 20 kilos probably, most probably. Let's we'll try to check.
$20 with case.
20 kilos with case.
Yeah.
20 kilos with case. So it has a metal case inside. So this is a metal case, and we're gonna pull this one out. Okay. This is very heavy. So the case is okay. So let's see. Let's check the unit. There's some leakage. No, that's not leakage. There's some oil. Stock oil. So it has. This is because of the shipment. They should not put oil. This is the breaker. It's big, around, I don't know, 12 to 15 inches, I guess. It's very nice. The chisel looks strong. Anyways, we're gonna try this one out. Let's check what's inside. Inside. So this is the chisel. Oh, nice chisel. It's coated with, I think, nickel. And what is others? It has the oil, carry oil. This is the wrench for the oil, Allen wrench, and carbon brush. The carbon brush is
in the container.
Yeah, this is the container for the oil. Anyways, this is the unit. There's a leaking. It's like oil. They should not put oil if delivered.
Yeah,
they put the oil it used to leak. But it's alright. We'll try this one out if this will run. Okay. We're just gonna wipe this one. Okay. There's so many leaks. So it says 220 volts, so we can use it. And it is 2500 watts. Everything is well.
2,500 watts.
Yeah, 2,500 watts. There's no breakage except there's an oil leak. We'll see if this one will be wipe out. Okay guys, so we're gonna try to clean this one. It's only cleanable. It can be what? I don't know. I think this is some kind of a dirt. I think this is the oil, that excess oil. Anyway guys, we're gonna clean this one and we're gonna show you if this will start. So guys, we found the leak. Actually, this is, they empty the oil. Kinuna nila ng oil pero hindi nila nag-lock ng masyado. nakuha ko lang sa kamay, oh. So kaya nag-leak siya. Anyways, try natin. So lagyan natin ng castrol na lang na oil, 40T. So hopefully wala siyang sira. Kasi nag-leak siya, baka nabasa yung ano. Pero kung kinuna naman nila, konti lang. So okay, hindi dapat i-full siya. Half lang. Sana walang leak. Dapat higpitan kasi sana to, higpit. So tinan na namin. Nalagyan na ng oil siya. Ano siya sa guys, ano ba yung tawag doon? Basta dito lang, hindi dapat i-full yan eh. Wala naman siyang leak. So far okay naman siya na-lock. Baka hindi lang nila na-lock ng maayos yung last time. Anyways, so try natin kung aandar ba. So lagyan muna natin ng grease yung hammer drill niya. Ganun na. Spread all around. Ayan, tapos lagyan natin dito. Turn para mag-lock siya. Okay. So, eventually guys, wala kaming stone na ma-test dito kasi nasa bahay lang. Try na lang natin itong wood. Okay, try natin. Okay naman. Baka masira na yung flooring namin guys. Pero okay siya, working siya. So far wala naman siyang sounds na medyo problema. Okay din, wala din siyang amoy. So okay naman siya nga unit guys. Working, good.